Apple moves all US iPhone production to India amid trade wars. Imagine this, your favorite iPhone, built not in China but in India. That's increasingly becoming the reality. Apple is about to make a bold move. Plans are underway to manufacture every iPhone sold in the US right in India. The Financial Times reports that this shift isn't just a whim but a strategic response to ongoing trade battles. Tensions between the US and China, particularly during Donald Trump's presidency, have pushed Apple to rethink its supply chain. Back in 2017, they started experimenting with India, teaming up with Wistron to produce the iPhone 6s and SE in Bengaluru, mainly to dodge hefty import taxes on Chinese-made gadgets. As trade tensions grew, Apple expanded its manufacturing footprint in India, and today, around 14% of all iPhones are made there, set to double to 25% by the end of this year, according to analysts. The plan? To double down further, sourcing over 60 million iPhones for the US market from India by 2026. Meanwhile, China, long the hub of tech manufacturing, has become a target of aggressive tariffs, with US tariffs reaching up to 145%. Though there was talk of exemptions, few decisions have been firmed up, leaving Apple with hefty taxes regardless. Additionally, India faces tariffs too, around 26%, though that's currently on hold for 90 days as negotiations continue. With US Vice President J.D. Vance eager to bolster ties during his India visit, the two nations seem to be making promising progress. As of 2024, the US accounts for roughly 28% of Apple's global iPhone shipments, and even big investors are trying to understand what these trade moves will mean for Apple's future profits. One thing's clear, Apple's supply chain is shifting, and it's a game changer in the making.